Hello viewers, welcome to the RS Organic Food. We are the leading exporter of organic food which includes hygienic meat, fresh fruits and vegetables all over the world. You are watching our Food for Health series. In this series we will tell you all the details about our organic food products and how our organic food is important for your health. In this video we will tell you about one of our major products, that is rice. Rice is one of the oldest cereal grains in the world. People have grown it for at least 5,000 years. Rice is a staple food for more than half of the world's population. 90% of world's rice comes from Asia. Rice is a raw food for many delicious dishes. People of different regions of world make different dishes from rice. In subcontinent Indo-Pak region, the most famous dish made by rice is biryani. There are basically two types of rice, white rice and brown rice, which are further divided into many other types. Manufacturers make many products from rice, including rice flour, rice syrup, rice bran oil, and rice milk. Rice contains mainly carbohydrates and protein. Cooked rice contains a lot of water. Carbohydrates makes up to 80% of total dry weight. Most of the carbohydrates in rice is starch. Basmati rice is rich in amylose, meaning it does not stick together after cooking. Rice contains fiber 1.6 gram. Brown rice is a whole grain. Whole grains improves blood cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart diseases, stroke, type 2 diabetes and obesity. Brown rice contains minerals, antioxidants, lignans and fiber. Eating high fiber rice may aid weight loss along with a decrease in cholesterol. Pakistan is in top 5 rice countries. Pakistani rice is famous for its healthy nutrients, nice taste after cooking. Pakistani rice export many surpass 4.5 million tons. Pakistan produce around 1050 tons of super basmati and consume 30% of the total production, while export all remaining quantity. Now we will explain you the method of rice processing. After harvesting, rice is transferred to the processing plant where foreign objects and other impurities like stone and tree stumps are removed using destoner. In the next step of husk is separated from clean paddy. After the husk is removed, the product is called brown rice and is ready for the milling process. Paddy graders and paddy cleaners are used to separate brown rice and is ready for milling process. Paddy graders and cleaners are used to separate brown rice. In the next step of milling, this stage removes the brown layer of rice, turning brown rice into white rice. In the next step of polishing, the surface of rice is smoothened and it is given a shine by passing it through a series of rollers. The shine of rice also shows its fine quality. In the next step of grading, it is process in which broken rice is separated out and separated head rice into different lengths. In the next step of storing, discolored, yellow and immature rice is removed in this stage, adding value to rice. Only standard size, shiny color and mature rice is selected to export. The finished product is then packed and is stored to be delivered to valued customers. These specialties show that we are following all international standards and our products worth your trust and satisfaction. So it will be an honor for us if you join us as a regular customer. Eat healthy, live healthy and keep connected to organic food. Have a good day.